Everyday English Conversations Practice Easy. I'll call you later. Kelly, I don't have anything to wear at prom. Me too. I don't have a nice dress. I want to go to the shopping mall this evening to buy one. Great. May I join? Sure. What time will you go? I'm not sure. After dinner? Maybe around 8 p.m.? Okay. How do you get there? I will ask my flatmate to borrow his car. What if he needs it? Then go by bus? I don't want to go there alone. May I go with you? Sure. I'll call you later to confirm how we will go there, okay? Okay. I will wait for you. How is your new job going? Hi, Emily. Long time no see. Nice to see you again, Kathy. How are you? I'm good. And you? Oh, very well, thanks. How is your new job going? It's great. I'm just a bit busy. How are your new colleagues? They are very friendly and nice to me. It sounds like a great working environment. Yes, I'm glad I got this job. I'm very happy that you love your new job. How about yours? I'm doing well. I just got a promotion. Aw, congratulations. You always work so hard. Thank you. I just try my best. Long time no see. Hi, is it you, Josh? Ah, David, long time no see. Nice to see you. How have you been? I'm good. Nice to meet you again too, David. May I sit here? Sure. Are you on your lunch break? Yes. I usually come here for lunch. Really? Do you work near here? No, I had a meeting at my client's place. Then I came here for lunch. Oh, I got it. Do you have any recommendations for the food? They have a really nice grilled chicken dish. Okay, I will try it. Thanks for your suggestion. Not at all. Do you have children? Hello, doctor. Hi, please take a seat. What's the matter with you? It's so difficult for me to fall asleep. How long do you have this? It has been a few years. Do you have children? Yes, I have 2 kids. How old are they? One is 4 years old and one is 2 years old. Do you sleep with them? Yes, I sleep with one, and the smaller sleep in the crib. Have you tried to sleep alone? Yes, I did try one day and still couldn't sleep. I suggest you should try to sleep in a separate room alone for at least 1 week. Okay, I will, doctor. Did you see my mobile phone? John, did you see my mobile phone? No, you haven't gone to the kitchen since you came home. I can't find it anywhere. Did you forget it at work? No, I just called Mom after I came home. What did you do after that? I took a shower, then came back to the bedroom. Did you find it in the bathroom and bedroom? Yes, I did. How about in your clothes? Maybe you put it in your pocket? Yes. It must be in my trousers pocket. Brilliant. Go and check. Thanks a lot. You're welcome.